One of the advantages of CityWater is its ability to accommodate multiple users under a single organization's license. The organization admin role is able to manage these user accounts. This video shows how to add, edit, and remove users, as well as reset their passwords. To manage your organization's users, you must have an organization admin role rather than an organization viewer. This occurred when your own account was created. Assuming you are an admin, select User Accounts from the navigation menu in the upper left. The User Accounts area lists the names, usernames, roles, and organization of existing users. Here you have the option to create a new user by selecting the plus button near the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Let's create a new user now. On the New User page, you enter the basic information for the new user. Supposing our new user is named John Doe, enter JDoe as a username. This can be any string of characters, but should be clear and memorable. Give John an initial password that you can remember, such as mypass1, and which he can and should later change on his own. Retype the same password to confirm it. Under Role, you may select whether to assign John an Organization Viewer role or an Organization Admin role. Most users should be assigned an Organization Viewer role. However, if the user needs to be able to modify projects, models, organizations, and users, the user should be assigned an Organization Admin role. John does not need administrative permissions, so select Organization Viewer here. Then, select the organization that John should belong to. This will allow John to view and use any CityWater projects associated with the organization. Note that the username, once entered, cannot be changed. The remaining fields are optional. You can enter John's first name, last name, and email address if desired. Enter as much information as possible. The advantage of entering an email address is that John will be able to reset his own password without your involvement. When you're ready to proceed, select Create User at the bottom of the page. Back on the User Accounts page, you'll see that John Doe, JDoe, now appears as a viewer in your organization. By default, up to 10 users will be shown on this page. If there are more, you can select to view all from the drop-down menu at the top, or you can navigate to previous and next pages using the respective buttons. At this point, John Doe is set up as a CityWater user, but the real John Doe doesn't know he has an account, and he doesn't know his username or password. CityWater does not notify new users. That is your job as an organization admin. You will need to inform John of his credentials and how to access CityWater through portal.aquaveo.com. Now that you have an existing user, you can edit or delete the user by selecting the buttons on the far right. Edit has the clipboard and pen icon, while Delete has the trash can icon. Hovering over each button causes its name to appear. Let's edit our new user, John Doe. The Edit User page is similar to the New User page, except the username and role are grayed out and cannot be changed. If John Doe has forgotten his password, you can enter a new one for him here. Remember to save changes, if any, at the bottom before continuing, and to notify John of the new password. Back on the User Accounts page, you also have the option to delete users. If you select Delete, you will be asked for confirmation. We recommend deleting users when they leave your organization or otherwise no longer need access. Other, more advanced features are available to you as an organization admin, but we will not cover them in this video. These include managing CityWater projects or models and other CityWater organizations.